4-pin trailer wiring installation. A 4-pin trailer wiring is frequently used by common light-duty trailers, including many utility and boat trailers, to connect to the towing vehicle. The necessary running lights, turn signals, and brake lights are provided for the trailer through this link. Additionally, a pin for a ground wire is supplied. You must match the wire colors and attach the ground wire to the frame to complete the wiring installation. Some installation tasks must be carried out from the trailer side, while others must be done from the vehicle side. Before you get on the road, remember to test the connection. So, let's learn the installation process of a 4-pin trailer wiring. What are the 4-way trailer wiring color codes? The meanings of each color must first be understood before you begin the installation. While certain manufacturers' codes may differ slightly from one another, most of them employ the same generic options. 1. White, ground wire. 2. Brown, tail, running lights. 3. Yellow, left turn, brake light. 4. Green, right turn, brake light. Before connecting any wires to your car, make sure they all work by checking the owner's manual or using a circuit tester. The circuit tester is often located in the rear of the vehicle, behind the tail lights, and can be used to access the wiring system of your vehicle. To ensure you have the correct wire, turn on each function, turn signals, brake lights, etc., in turn and look for a corresponding signal from the circuit tester. Things needed for a 4-pin trailer installation. 1. 4-pin wiring kit, green, yellow, brown, and white wires. 2. Crimping tool combo with a cutter and stripper. 3. Waterproof butt connector with heat shrink ends. 4. Heat gun. 5. Zip ties. 6. Plastic wire tubing. 7. Terminal connector. 8. Power drill and small drill bit. Installing a 4-pin trailer wiring. Prepare for trailer wiring installation. Make sure you have all the necessary supplies on hand before beginning. To make sure everything is there, I advise using a trailer lighting kit. Take inventory before you begin if you are only changing a few connections and wiring pieces. Determine which components can be kept and which must be replaced. Connect ground to trailer frame. A clean, bare area of the trailer frame must be used as the connection point for the ground wire. The connection will be made using a self-tapping screw and ring terminal. Pick a spot on the ground that is free of pollution, rust, and paint. Clean it off first if you must. 2-3 feet to be added to the trailer hookup past the tongue. Make sure there isn't any paint, corrosion, or accumulation near the ground. Clean if required. Make the ground connection on the main frame of the trailer, behind the tongue, if the trailer folds. Run the remaining wires to the tail lights along the trailer frame. Avoid letting the wires chafe or catch on any trailer parts. The cables should be run via the trailer frame's hollow areas. Grommets can be installed by drilling into the frame if necessary. When dealing with loose wires, zip ties, and wire clips are also beneficial. Install vehicle side wiring. It's time to concentrate on the vehicle once the trailer is linked. You are prepared to go if your car has a 4-way connector already. The vehicle's trailer side can be plugged in to start towing. It is simple to add a 4-way connector to your car if it doesn't already have one. The make and model of your car will determine the connector type you use. Connect trailer with vehicle. The cables can now be connected to the vehicle. You can remove the wire's insulation with your crimper. The wires can be securely connected using a butt connection and a heat gun. Another option is to split the running light into 2 wires using a Y-wishbone harness. The trailer has 2 sides, one of which runs along the driver's side and the other along the passenger side. You will utilize the same grounding procedures on the car as you did on the trailer. Make sure the ground wire is attached to a frame surface that is bare, clean, and metal. You can also apply dielectric grease if you wish to stop corrosion. The lighting components of the car are where the wiring harness will clamp or plug in. The power line from the electrical harness should not be run to the car's battery because otherwise, your lights will always be on. Test connection. When everything is finished, you are prepared to test the connections. While you observe from behind, ask a friend to assist you in turning on all of the lights. Before driving the trailer, ensure all the lights are operational. Otherwise, you risk endangering yourself or being stopped by the police. What to do when finished? It's a good idea to plug the two ends of your trailer and car together after wiring them both, then test the operation of each wire. Make necessary alterations. You're fine to go if everything lights up when it should. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.